Tomato ginger dressing that's going on a tomato salad. If you want to use less fat in your dressing and add a lot of flavor, put a tomato in.
Right.
Okay, there goes the ginger, half a garlic clove. I'm going to go faster. Grapeseed. We've got rice vinegar. We've got some soy sauce, and then you hit the button.
Delicious.
This is one of those machines that could make a milkshake out of you or me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, these things are intense. So
They're really loud, too.
you get the idea.
Look, we have a swap.
And here we go. Isn't that beautiful? There we go. So now,
Gorgeous.
very quickly, I want each of you to eat one of those quickly, and then eat one of these quickly, and tell me the difference.
So,
Yeah, well, because this one tastes better, right?
yes.
So you should always,
highlights the flavor.
always salt
But
your
salt it
tomatoes.
for a while.
Yes,
Exactly.
20 minutes at
So
least.
it's really...
And you get
So-
all that nice
Yes,
liquid.
and we did the same with these guys, and now we patted them dry. Andrew, do you want to make a pretty arrangement with these
Sure.
guys?
Of course
Because
I
I'm going to, so we salted these for 20 minutes, you pat them dry. What happens is then they taste more like a tomato.
And especially when tomatoes start to go away from you, right, and they're not as delicious, it helps them a lot.
Right. Okay, this is the most important tip of everything I've done.
Right.
So you know how we all do the avocado
Oh, sure, make
thing?
me do the salad and miss the tip.
No.
I know how you work, Moulton.
At any rate, do you know how many people have gone to the emergency room? So here's what you do instead. You don't end up with half moons. That's the only downside to this method. But so you do all the way around, and then you turn it a quarter turn, and you do it again. I actually learned this from the Avocado board because they were so tired of this,
Of listening,
of the
right,
bad
right,
rap. But here you go.
Awesome.
Well, even better, you don't do that thing where you put the...
That's how they do it. This
and
thing.
then you, yeah.
And the twist, that's how they
You
do
want to
it.
slice these for me?
Yeah,
Here.
I would
How
love
Here, use
awesome.
my knife. Use my knife.
Use her knife, trust me.
I
Look.
love that knife.
Look at that
Yeah.
knife.
I like a big knife. Little people need big knives. I mean, they really do.
That's, by the way, the
Put
name
that
of
on a
Sarah's
t-shirt,
new
someone.
show, Little People,
need
Big
big knives. Yes. All righty. Well, thank you, Bo. Okay, this doesn't. I'm going to just drizzle away. Here we go.
Here, baby.
And do you want this just sort of like laid on there,
Yes,
sort
that's
of
beautiful.
attractively?
Oh my God, that is so attractive. You know what you're doing.
Well, I learned it from you. Come on.
So here we
So,
go.
mint, chilies, peanuts.
Yes.
Whoa,
Oh, we already
whoa,
had
whoa.
some. Here
You
we
ju-
go.
What were those first two words you said?
Mint and chilies.
Yeah.
Can you say that again?
Yeah.
Mint and chilies.
Yeah.
That's a
I
happy
mean,
thing.
3 times
People-
fast.
I mean, those two ingredients together,
Hit-
unbelievable.